Hey there, welcome to our channel. Are you tired of living your life on someone else's terms? Are you ready to escape the matrix and take control of your financial freedom? Then you've come to the right place. In this channel, we're all about showing you how to start your own online business and make money on your terms. We'll cover everything from building a website, creating content, and promoting your business online. We'll also share our own experiences and tips from successful entrepreneurs who have already made the leap. Now you might be thinking, why should I start an online business? Well, let me tell you, the benefits are endless. First, you'll have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. No more cubicles, no more commutes, just you and your laptop. Second, you'll have the opportunity to make as much money as you want. You won't be limited by a salary or hourly wage. Finally, you'll have the ability to create something that's uniquely yours. You'll be able to share your passions with the world and build a community around your brand. So, are you ready to take the first step? If so, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. We're excited to help you escape the matrix and start your online money-making journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.